When you're looking for new injectors for your Detroit DD13, DD15, or DD16 diesel engine, you probably feel like you have limited options for quality parts. If you're like most people, you head straight to the dealership to get OEM parts. But that's not always convenient, and it is almost always expensive. You could end up paying way more at the dealership than any other supplier option. If you're tired of paying through the nose for your parts and still have to go pick them up, Highway and Heavy Parts has a solution for you. We are proud to carry genuine Bosch injectors for your Detroit diesel, DD13, DD15, and DD16 engines, and they'll be delivered right to your door. You don't have to drive all over town looking for the right components for your repair. Today, we're taking a look at just what makes these injectors so great. Wondering about the Bosch injectors we handle at Highway and Heavy Parts? We've had a lot of repair shops using these genuine Bosch replacement injectors to save themselves time and money. When you compare one of our Bosch injectors to a core from a DD13, DD15, or DD16, you'll see that they are both Bosch injectors. You're getting the same quality components when you order from Highway and Heavy Parts as you did when the engine was built. You'll probably notice that the injectors are very similar between the DD13, DD15, and DD16 diesel engines. If you take the core and clean it up a bit, you'll see the Bosch writing on it that lets you know what injector it is, the make, as well as any other identifying information. Repair shops that purchase these injectors from us are taking advantage of our great prices on DD13, DD15, and DD16 common rail injectors. They're saving the cost of going to the dealership, but still getting genuine OEM injectors. And they're getting them for a fraction of the cost. These injectors are built right from Bosch, so you'll be getting the highest quality injectors, rebuilt to the highest standards. We want to make sure you're getting the quality you expect. Purchasing these injectors will save you a little bit of money, but you'll still get the same great quality. We have them available for your DD13, DD15, or DD16 engines now. We want to make sure our customers are getting the best parts for their repair and that they're getting the best quality too. Not only do we have genuine Bosch replacement injectors, we have a team of experts who can help you choose what components are right for your engine. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about Bosch injectors for your Detroit diesel engine, you can call any of our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our additional social media channels to stay up to date on news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.